Want to become the ultimate movie plot summarizer, wowing your friends with your recap skills? First, head on over to Retell AI's website. You can usually find it with a quick search. It's designed to help you quickly summarize movie plots. Next, in the search bar, simply type in the title of the movie you want to summarize, let's say, Inception. Click enter, or the search icon. After typing in your choice, Retell AI will generate a concise, clear summary of the movie. You'll find the key plot points presented in an easy-to-understand format. This is your quick-fire cheat sheet. Read through the summary, notice how it hits all the critical story beats without getting bogged down in unnecessary details. This is what you're aiming for when you recap movies yourself. Now, use this summary as your guide. Practice retelling the plot out loud. Focus on conveying the core story, the who, what, where, when, and why to give a clear and compelling overview. With Retell AI, you're not just remembering the movie. You're perfecting the art of summarization. Practice retelling numerous plots, and you'll be everyone's go-to for movie summaries. Now go forth and conquer those movie summaries.